Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another vlog, and I hope you all are doing well. It has been raining a lot here in Goa, and it's probably not going to let up anytime soon. The stretches of gloomy weather can dampen our moods. It's totally natural to feel lazy and glum. I believe one of the best repellents to monsoon blues is mindfulness. Being totally aware of your thoughts. I indulge myself in doing things that make me feel relaxed and happy. It's been so long, I've wanted to do some craft work. I have some craft material which I had brought from Dubai. When I am in a crafting mood, I need plenty of time. I find it very relaxing to work with it. I had this different colored foam sheets. So, thought of making floating lotus for my coffee table. Today, I had planned to prepare a very simple yet very flavorful and little spicy prawn pulav as my family was craving for it. Here, soaking a little bit of kokum, I have taken around 2 cups of basmati rice, washed it nicely and soaked for around 30 minutes. For this pulao, I am using the small prawns which are available during this season in Goa. To them, I have added a little bit of salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, around a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and the water of the soaked kokum. This enhances the taste of this prawns. Marinate and keep aside. Once the oil was nice and hot, added in a small piece of cinnamon, mace, black pepper, large cardamom, star anise, bay leaves, cloves, caraway seeds, onion, and now chopping coriander and mint. Adding in the ginger garlic paste once the onion was nice and soft. Now that the onion and the ginger garlic paste had nicely cooked, added in the tomatoes. And I'm going to cook till these tomatoes are nice and mushy. Once the tomatoes were nice and mushy, it was the turn of the powdered spices. Now to this I have added around a teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 3 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I have added a little bit more of red chili powder because we wanted it a bit spicy today. Once the spices are nicely cooked, added in 2 tablespoons of curd by keeping the flame very low. And then a quick stir, and this has to get cooked very nicely to avoid the curd smell. And once the oil separates nicely, add it in the marinated prawns along with the biryani masala. You can use any biryani masala of your choice. Added in handful of finely chopped coriander leaves along with mint leaves. A quick stir, and to this I'm going to now add the green chili, which I'm just going to break into 2 pieces, and these give a really good flavor to this pulao. Now in goes the soaked basmati rice. The soaked basmati rice is very brittle and breaks very easily. Hence I never mix it with the masala directly. I always add in the hot water and then mix it nicely with the masala. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, and to it I have added 2 cups of water. I don't add more than that because I've seen that my rice cooks very well. Added in little bit of salt, a quick stir, and now I am going to cook it for 1 whistle. I never allow utensils to collect in my kitchen sink. I don't like it. I just like my sink to be empty because it makes my kitchen feel nice and clean. Whenever there are few utensils, I always load them in the dishwasher. Dishwasher. I never wanted a dishwasher. Even in UAE, Swapnil always told me that we'll buy one, and I always said no. It was the COVID times that we went in for the option of the dishwasher, as getting house help was very difficult. But believe me, today I just love dishwasher. Sliced in a few white onions so that I could prepare a very simple salad. Added it to the bowl. Added in a chopped green chili, chopped coriander, a little bit of salt, little bit of lemon juice. But the best part is you have to mix it with your hands, nicely cleaned and washed. Lightly crushing the onions, green chili and coriander and bringing out their real flavors. It tastes really awesome. Vegetables are a very important part of my meal, and I never miss on them. If any day I am unable to prepare a proper sabzi, I at least see to it that I prepare some steamed vegetables or a salad, because without it, I feel a bit guilty and incomplete. It was late evening. Children had already left from the coaching classes, but it was still pouring outside. So I got back to my craft project. I had already cut the shapes. Now it was just putting them together. I used my hot glue gun to stick them together, and the end result was really amazing. I was very happy to see what I had created. Being happy doesn't mean everything is perfect. It means you have decided to look beyond the imperfections. For me, happiness is a spiritual experience of living every moment with love, grace, and gratitude. When you decide to be happy, nobody can stop you from being happy. With this, I come to the end of this vlog. If you have liked my video, then don't forget to press the like button. It means a lot. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and be a part of my journey. Till then, bye-bye. Take very good care of yourself and remember, I love you.